If you saw a multitude of high schoolers walking around Troy University today, they weren't just touring the school. They were participants of J-Day, an event hosted by the Hall School of Journalism and Communications that gives students an inside look at what they have to offer.
J-Day is an opportunity for high schoolers to come in and sort of get a feel for what Troy University has to offer. We offer workshops dealing with yearbook, broadcast media, multimedia journalism, and the high school students interact with some of our working professionals out there.
The 4-hour-long event saw over 500 high school students in attendance, the largest group J-Day has seen yet. This made Troy University student volunteers invaluable to the operation. But for many of those volunteers, they feel that the event was just as much of a learning experience for them as it was for the high schoolers.
It's a great opportunity to get involved and basically also a learning opportunity as well, because we got to listen in on what the other students were getting to hear, and it's always a great opportunity to volunteer when we get the chance to.
J-Day offered students the opportunity to get practical news experience and eventually be on TV.
My first session was sports, actually, and I learned a lot about sports. I didn't know that while doing sports you could do other things, like you could also be a news anchor. I want to be a journalist, I want to write, and I'm just really proud of this school. I want to come here.